Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation on the Reddit clone project. My name is Ashwant and my teammate name is Shruti. Today we'll showcase the features, architecture and functionality of our project. Let's dive right in.
We'll begin by explaining the architecture of our system. The Reddit clone is built using a protoactive framework in Go, ensuring high scalability and performance. Our design uses an actor-based model where key entities like users, subreddits, posts, comments, and messages are managed by dedicated actors. These actors allows us to handle concurrent operations efficiently.
The project is structured into several key components. It has actors. It manages users, subreddits, posts, comments, and messages. It has controllers which handles HTTP requests and route them to appropriate actors. It has testing module which includes benchmark to evaluate performance and scalability. It has utility functions which handle unique identifier generation and other helper tasks. Our backend API is built with Gen, and the application listens for requests on HTTP localhost 8080. Let's now demonstrate running of the project.
So we'll start the server first. In the terminal, we have to navigate to the directory where the main.go file is present. Here is that particular command used for running the server. So this initializes the actor system and sets up the HTTP server. You can also see the logs indicating that the server is running and actors are initialized. Now to set up the client, we have to run this command here.
Now that the server is up, let's simulate some operations using our test client. First, we have user creation. Each user has a unique username and email. Here's an example curl for it. We'll run it and test. This returns a user ID that we use for further operations. And then we can create subreddits. A subreddit is created with a unique name. Here is an example curl. This generates a subreddit ID.
Now let's try running the remaining curls as well. So this particular curl is used for creating a post. We create posts and comments. A post is created by providing the author ID, subreddit ID, and content. So let's copy this curl and let's see the output of this curl command. So here it generates the post ID, subreddit ID, user ID, and the content for it. Now let's run the curl for adding a comment. So let's copy paste this command. So here in the output, as you can see, a comment ID is generated and a text is added for the comment. And the final thing mentioned here is sending a direct message. So let's run this curl as well. As you can see here, a message ID is created, a sender ID and receiver ID are also mentioned in the logs.
Our system also allows retrieving and deleting entities. For instance, to fetch all posts, it gets a particular curl ID, and to delete a specific post, it also gets a particular curl ID. Logs provide a detailed feedback about these operations.
See here in the log file, you can see that the output for different operations are mentioned here. For example, these two lines are used. These two lines are generated when a user is created, and this is generated when a subreddit is created, and similarly, this is generated when post is created. And you can also see the logs where post ID details are also mentioned, and so on. So these logs consist of logs when creating post, deleting post, sending a message, deleting a message, adding a comment, deleting a comment, and many more operations.
In summary, our Reddit clone project demonstrates a scalable actor-based architecture for managing users, subreddits, posts, comments, and messages. It's highly concurrent, reliable, and performs well under load.
Thank you for your attention. We are happy to take any questions or discuss the system further.
Thank you.